We have an update tonight about one of the area's most perplexing missing persons cases. Baby Sabrina Aisenberg vanished from her family's Valrico home nearly 28 years ago. And a Tampa attorney is now trying to get access to the investigation files, but he says he's being blocked by the sheriff's office. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson joins us live in Tampa. You started sharing this with us last week. New developments tonight, Jeff?
Exactly. Good evening, Stacy. In this building are boxes and boxes of files related to the Sabrina Aisenberg case. A Tampa attorney says he wants to see those files, and a judge has ordered that he be allowed to do that, but he says it's still not happening. Sabrina Aisenberg vanished from her family's home in 1997 and hasn't been seen since. Despite a massive search, she was never found. Years later, age progression photos show what she may look like now. Tampa attorney Michael Trentelage wants to look at the case files, but says the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office is blocking his access.
We asked for a tangible item. We asked for the shovel that was depicted in photographs, and their response was, oh, that's not a document.
A judge ordered the Sheriff's Office to allow Trentelage access to the files, but he says they are not complying with the order.
Well, the Sheriff's Office has just been obstructionist in every way possible. They don't want to produce these records, and a little thing like a court order hasn't seemed to change their minds.
He showed us these photos of boxes and boxes of files, but he says they are disorganized, and he's not being allowed to see what's inside.
They showed up with less than the entire file. Then they denied us access to the file.
The Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office maintains they are producing documents in accordance with the court's ruling. In a statement, the Sheriff's Office says, in part, this is a nearly 30-year-old active investigation involving voluminous numbers of records. The process requires careful review and redaction to protect sensitive information as required by Florida law. The Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office says they are committed to seeking the truth in this case and finding justice for Sabrina and her families. Stacy?
So I guess the question now is, what does the attorney, Trentelage, plan to do next?
He says that he'll have to take this back to court. He's going to seek another judicial order to make sure these files are eventually opened.
All right, Jeff Patterson live in Tampa. Thank you.